Team, I got me a new toy, the PowerXL grill air fryer combo. Let's check it out. It's Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my kitchen here, little review center, test laboratory, if you will. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here today? I got me this big old grill. It's just not that big. I found this PowerXL grill air fryer combo at Target. Figured I'd check it out. Now, if you're new to my channel, for the most part, you know that I am a Ninja Foodie fan, and more to the point, a Ninja Foodie grill fan. I've done probably 200-300 videos with the various Ninja Foodie grills over the years, and you know, I figured it was time to check out other indoor grill options, and this one just kind of jumped out at me, being that PowerXL's a really good company. They make a bunch of air fryers and kitchen gadgets and whatnot, so I wanted to give their grill a shot. It was a good deal. I ended up buying it. I will eventually do some comparisons between the Foodie grill versus this PowerXL grill and air fryer combo, but this is just going to be an unboxing. Check it out. I'm not going to do a cook on it yet, but I want to see what comes with it, go through some of the features, and you know, see if it's something that I get a little excited about, right? That being said, let's go ahead and get over here and get this thing out of the box, and we'll get a closer look at it. Come on back. All right, team, let's get this bad boy open. I've already cut the tape off a little bit. Let's see what comes with this. A little cardboard owner's manual. Let's open this up, check what comes in it. Like I said, owner's manual, recipe book, pretty standard for these air fryer gadgets. Quick start guide for grilling and then for air frying. We have a steam lid. I think that's what it's called. Put that to the side. Oh, the styrofoam's the worst part. Oh, I hate that noises that comes off of styrofoam. Tell me if you're with me on that one. All right, let's pull this bad boy out. That is actually pretty lightweight. Very cool. Looks like it's a little bit bigger than the Foodie grill, the 5-in-1 and the 7-in-1. Again, I'm not comparing right now. It sounds like there's little suction cups. There are little suction cups on the bottom, so it sticks on your counter. Right on. That's interesting. Lid's a little wobbly, a little flimsy. All right, let's see what's in this box right here. Here's the little air frying grill basket thing. So what it looks like to me is a little heat plate in here. Heat's coming from the top up here too. I do not like how that lid is so wobbly, but we'll give it the benefit of the doubt right now. Comes with a 3-prong plug. Got it all out of the box. Let's kind of take stock of what we have, and then go over a little bit more in depth. All right, so I figured out why the lid is so flimsy. It actually slides out of the base, okay? So we'll put that aside, and it allows you to use the steam lid. To me, that's pretty interesting. I'm not fond of having 2 lids. It just means extra stuff to store, but it is what it is. So the PowerXL grill air fryer combo is 6 quarts. It is their 12-in-1, meaning that it air fries, grills, slow cooks, steams, sautés, bakes, roasts. You could do rice in it, which I want to try that. Fry, simmer, sous vide, and keep warm. All right, so there's your 12 things for this bad boy. It has rapid air technology, circulates superheated air for even cooking, has one-touch cooking, 12 preset programs to take the guesswork out of cooking. God, I am not built for this advertising stuff. Low-fat cooking, prepare healthier meals using little or no oil, which is, you know, the appeal of air fryers, so no big deal. Easy to clean, non-stick coating, dishwasher safe parts. All right, so the accessories include a grill plate, tempered glass lid, and a serving ladle. So when you open up the lid, when you're using the grill or air fryer functions, you're putting this plate in there, the grill plate, set it in there. To me, it seems a bit odd. It has these little feet, for lack of a better way of putting it. They're metal, so I'm eager to see if it scratches the surface at all, but I'm okay. So far, so good. Using this quick guide for like grilling. When I started reading this, it kind of threw me off a little bit because it says you need to attach the air frying lid, which is this right here, your air frying lid. Like I said, it was a little odd that you could take it on and off, but you know, cool. They want you to make sure that the inner pot's placed in there and your grill plate's placed in there for grilling, and make sure that it sits evenly in there. Nothing too terribly complicated so far. And it's honestly the same way for the air frying portion of it. You leave this in here. This is kind of like your air fryer basket. Raises it up off the pan, the inner pot here, and lets air flow underneath it. All right, we're gonna peel the film off. You know it's satisfying. Yeah, let's get this bad boy plugged in. Let's take a look at the LED buttons and whatnot. Let's take a look. I'll use the knob to decide what we're gonna do. So we got air fry, slow cook, steam, saute, grill, bake, roast, rice. That's so cool. Simmer, sous vide, fry, and keep warm. You have your timer button right here. You have your temp delay timer as soon as the pause, start, cancel, keep warm. Pretty simple stuff here. All right, as we look at the surface of the inner pot right here, the manual states to prevent scratching of the inner coating, we recommend using non-metal utensils for your cookware. Do not cut food on the cookware using sharp utensils such as forks, knives, mashers, or whisk. That can scratch the surface. All right, so it's a bit temperamental, but most non-stick items are. All right, the manual has the preset mode chart in there so you can see what you're cooking at, what's automatically preset for each of those steps. It gives you a list of internal temps for your meats that you cook in there, your proteins, what they should be cooked to based on USDA guidelines. Then over here, air fryer cooking guidelines for whatever you're air frying. We have sous vide cooking guidelines, which I'm eager to try this out. It gives you the basic breakdown of sous vide cooking. This is what I'm interested in. I had no idea you could do rice on this, but we'll definitely give it a shot. Some tips, other cooking guidelines and tips. Has your cleaning instructions and storage instructions. Only the inner pot and glass lid are dishwasher safe, so keep that in mind. Let's give a look through the recipe book. Coconut shrimp, hot wings, country fried chicken, love it. Looking good. Fish sticks, beef burritos. Looks like there's plenty of options in here. I'm eager to see how you do rice in it. All right, the last thing I really want to try and hear on this, we're not cooking today, like I said. I just wanted to show you how it works, how it looks. I just want to hear it turn on, what the fan sounds like, all that good stuff. So we're gonna shut that down. Let's move this to air fry. I don't care about the timer temp that it presets to. Just want to hear the fan and the air frying motion of it. So let it kind of get rolling. Okay, we let it go about a minute. This is about as loud as it is. You can hear it in my microphone. I have it relatively close to the unit. It's pretty dang quiet to me. I dig it. I know there is a heating element on the bottom underneath the pot, and then obviously there's a fan coming from the top down. Okay, so that's a good feature. The heating element from the bottom lets you do your sauteing, the rice, the sous vide, all that stuff. Everything you're gonna use that glass lid for, and you remove this air frying lid. So, not bad. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and shut this down, cancel it. It was very quiet. I'm very impressed with that, so cool. Okay, y'all, it's a quick video. not much into it. I just kind of want to do the unboxing, go through it, make some mental notes of the stuff I want to check and mess around with. We'll do plenty of cooks on this thing. We will do some comparisons with the Ninja Foodi grill. I'm thinking we will use the original Ninja Foodi grill as a comparison, and then the 7-in-1. The original Ninja Foodi grill matches kind of like the depth and capacity, more or less. And the 7-in-1, the newest Ninja Foodi grill, has the heat up from the bottom and from the top. It looks like you have a lot more features. I mean, the numbers say you have a lot more features. PowerXL grill air fryer combo is a 12-in-1. The highest one Ninja Foodi has is a 7-in-1. We have a lot more things supposedly we can do with this PowerXL grill air fryer combo. Okay, so I'm eager to see how this plays out. I have never heard anything bad about PowerXL. They've never reached out to me. I've never used any of their products. This would be my first one. Like I said, I paid for it myself. I am a brand ambassador for Ninja Foodi grills, but Ninja don't pay me. That allows me to do this type of thing. Like I said, I'm just one of their affiliates, their ambassadors, but they don't pay me for that. I'm just, you know, I just use their products. So far, so good. I like the way it looks. At the beginning, I was a little thrown off because the lid was a little wobbly, but it makes sense now that you could actually take that lid off. I have the Ninja Foodi, the original Ninja Foodi pressure cooker, where you had two lids, one that actually stayed on there for the air frying, and then the pressure cooker lid. I never really cared for that, but we'll see how this one goes. From what I can tell, you're gonna have to find a spot to store the lid, like it won't close, so that, you know, steaming lid, even if I turn it upside down, the grill cover won't close. So I don't know if that's the way you want to keep it rolling, but I probably won't. But again, that's all stuff we'll discover together. If this video was helpful for you in making some kind of decision, I'll have an Amazon link for this thing down below. Feel free to use it. Doesn't cost you anything else, but it helps out the channel. If you're looking forward to some head-to-head with the Ninja Foodi grill, throw it down below in the comments on what you think I should do a little head-to-head for. I'm thinking at least steaks. You know what I'm saying? And then we'll go from there. So throw it down in the comments below what you think I should do in some comparison cooks. Also comment down below if you'd like to know anything else about this that I didn't cover. I did not do a thorough dive into this, but I just, like I said, quick unboxing, okay? Other than that, we're good. We're about done with this. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up. Like I said, comment down below. Feel free to share this. Hit that join button if you want. Subscribe, all that good stuff you do on YouTube. But that's it. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.